Today we will discuss some important MCQ questions for the electrical engineering for the competitive exam. Please subscribe my channel and get more electrical related videos. So the first question is the what is the internal resistance of an ideal current source? Option A 0, option B 100, option C 1, option D infinite. We know that for the ideal current source the internal resistance is infinite. For ideal voltage source internal resistance is 0. So here option D is the answer. So the next question is which of the following materials is not an insulator? Here option A is diamond, option B is graphite, option C is bakelite, option D is lucite. We know that graphite is not an insulator. It is the exceptional case. Here the option B is graphite is the answer. So the next question is which of the following is not a conducting materials? Here option A copper, option B tungsten, option C germanium, option D platinum. Here the which of the following is not the conducting materials? Here option A copper, option B tungsten, option C germanium, option D platinum. We know that germanium is not the conducting materials. So here GE germanium is the answer. So the next question is the fuse materials used in electrical lines must have which of the following property? We know the property of the fuse has the low melting point. Here option is high resistivity and low conductivity, high melting point and the low melting point. We know that fuse is the low melting point. So here option D is the answer. Next question, which of the following materials used for making permanent magnet? We know that for the purpose of permanent magnet we use generally the steel. Here the option is steel, option B carbon, option C carbon steel, option D graphite. We know generally used for the carbon steel. So the here C is the answer. So the next question is to increase the voltage of the measurement, to increase the voltage measurement range of a voltmeter, it is shunted by a high resistance, put in series with the high resistance, put series with a low resistance, shunt by the low resistance. Here we know that galvanometer it makes to a voltmeter. We know the high resistance of the shunt, high resistance of the resistance is used for the purpose of increase the voltage range of a voltmeter. So here the option is we connect here the resistance is series, we make a voltmeter. So here option is the put in series with the high resistance. So the next question is which of the following meter cannot measure the AC quantities? Here option is thermocouple, option B the hot wire, option C PMMC, option D the electrodynamic meter. Here we know that the PMMC permanent magnet moving coil it is only measure the DC but it cannot measure the AC. So here option C is the answer because the PMMC permanent magnet moving coil does not measure the AC. So only it is measure the DC. Here option C is the answer. Next is Kelvin double bridge is used for measuring. Kelvin double bridge is used for measuring option A high resistance, option B low resistance, option C low resistance, option D the high resistance. Here we know the for the Kelvin double bridge it is only use the low resistance. So here option C the low resistance is the answer. Next question, which of the following devices are used at the first stage of an electronics voltmeter? Here the option A BJT, option B SCR, option C MOSFET, option D UJT. We know the first stage of the electronics voltmeter is MOSFET. So here the answer C the MOSFET is the answer. Next, which of the following is not the true of a digital instrument? Which of the following is not the true of the digital instrument? Here loading of the circuit measurement is less, B accuracy is better, free from observation error, can present the reading in overall context range. We know for the purpose of the digital instrument the present reading is overall context always right. So the present reading is always overall context is the reading is the similar. So here option D is the right. So here the can present the reading of the overall context range. So the option D is the answer. So thanks for watching my this video. Please subscribe my channel.